complete everything within November, within October, I mean, within October. That is the site visit and submission of the final report.
So the site visit, when is it going to happen?
As soon as our counterparts from Assam are free, Mr. Patowari is currently on tour. Once he reaches Guwahati, we should be able to finalize on the dates. But everything will be completed within October of this year.
And the report will be submitted to the respective state governments?
Yes, within October. Both the site visit and the submission of the report.
Whether these reports will be shared in the opposite direction, like you will share to Assam and the regional committee from Assam will share to Meghalaya?
We will try to come up with a report that both the state, the two committees share, which means it will be a comprehensive single report prepared by the two regional committees.
Assam has a very big brother attitude. It keeps building, roads, especially in Baklavaram we've seen. So, how is it taken up?
That is bound to happen. It has been happening for several decades now. But I can assure you that once we are in a position to finally settle all areas wherever we have differences, which is now 6 areas. I mean, from 12 now it has come down to 6. Once that is in place, we will be able to resolve the matter. 2 is we are also strengthening the state police. You're aware that currently about 2,500 young youths are undergoing training. They will complete their training in the next couple of months and then join the state police. And apart from that, about 4,000 new vacancies will also be filled up subsequently, meaning by next year.
Since you are the chairman of this regional committee for West Assam, recently in CM level talks, they have decided, Assam has decided to allow Meghalaya to again have a look at Malang Salbari, which was under, if I'm not mistaken, hynne sector.
Right.
So are you been briefed by the Chief Minister of the...
See, these are the final recommendation of the 2 regional committees. Since we are going also to the sites, that will form the basis of the final MOU. So you might have picked up name of a village, 1 or 2, but finally it will be what the 2 regional committees will recommend, and hopefully we will do that jointly, so that it becomes easier for the 2 state governments to then accept.
No, the village that I was referring to was in the first phase of the MOU that had been signed. So
Okay.
there was
The first phase, this committee has a very clear terms of reference, and that includes only the unresolved part, not the part that was dealt in the first MOU.
Bapur, during the recently held Chief Minister...
No, because as of date, reports that have emerged from Langpi does not indicate any possibility of skirmishes or conflicts. So these forces will only be deployed in high sensitive locations where troubles have broken out or have the potential of breaking out.
But some NGOs are opposing to this idea of deploying a central force as a neutral force in the border dispute, saying that the government seems to be misdiagnosing the problems faced by the border people. What do you have to say?
See, if we send Meghalaya police, Assam will object. If Assam sends Assam police, Meghalaya will object. If we send paramilitary forces, central forces, some NGOs will object. If we do not send anyone, then also you will object. Then who do we send? We cannot leave that area as it is, unmanned, unguarded. because you are objecting to Assam Police, Meghalaya Police, Central Forces, Army, Navy, everyone.
Wahai Chinang and Dorbar, they welcome the decision.
Good that at least some people
Only
have to
some
say.
Mujuruming NGOs they are opposing.
Oh, that is your feedback that I'm getting from you.
Yeah, the Wahai Chinang.